Hello everyone, I'm Thomas Mazloum from Disney Signature Experiences, and I have the honor to be here today with Chef Danielle from Be Our Guest restaurant at the Magic Kingdom Park here at Walt Disney World. And we're going to talk today about making of arepas, a national dish in Colombia, something that we've included in our trip with Adventures by Disney. I'm really honored to be here with you, but I want to talk to you a little bit about this thing right here, arepas.
Arepas.
Tell me about it. I am so interested. This is very, very special.
Well, the beauty of the arepas is like whatever the region you go to Colombia, they're gonna be different. They're gonna be sweet, they're gonna be savory, they're gonna be topped with cheese, they're gonna be filled with meat.
Well, Chef Daniel, these arepas look absolutely delicious.
Gracias, Thomas. My 16-year-old daughter made them for us. It was a way for me to share my Colombian passion and culture with her. When I was growing up in Colombia, my mother taught me how to make arepas, and now I'm proud to share that passion with them.
That is such a wonderful story. And of course, as you know, arepas are having a moment because of the most wonderful movie, Disney's Encanto. As a result of that, at Adventures by Disney have included an arepas making class for our trip that our guests are going to experience as they go to your beautiful country.
Well, that's definitely going to be a great experience for them because that is a staple food from our country.
But what do you really think personally, Daniel? What do you think our guests and families will take away from their trip to Colombia?
So food is going to be number one thing.
I was afraid you would say that.
It's going to be flavorful, it's going to be satisfying, you're going to learn a lot of fruits and vegetables that you probably never seen before. But it's much more than that, you know, it's the people, it's friendliness, is the landscaping of the country, the mountains, right? It's so colorful, you know, people get to enjoy the nature of Colombia, and that makes me happy about that.
Well, talking about food, when are you and me gonna dig into this?
Well, vámonos.
So good.